because of the mental instability that happens with the brain fog, the cloudiness, the sort of erratic moods, women were seen as being unstable. And so they were institutionalized in insane asylums regularly. And so thankfully, we're not at that place now, but we shouldn't ignore the fact that we are having significant changes in our mood. One of the problems is that women are also in a phase of their life where a lot of other things are happening. So right now I'm living in a sandwich generation. I'm taking care of my mom who's quite elderly, and then I've got my kids, and I'm somewhere in the middle. So that's a big stressor for me. I also am at probably the most critical phase of my career, and I can't afford to be foggy in my brain. And a couple of my boys have gone off to college, and that's been really hard for me, the empty nest syndrome. So, this accumulation of all of these things has made my life really challenging. And then I have the hormone depletion. So, that was part of why I needed to get back to normal levels of hormones. The rate of women committing suicide is highest during their peri and their menopausal years. And that number is extraordinarily high compared to any other phase of their lives. And so that number to me signifies that we're not properly addressing this issue of the emotional changes.
Yeah, I mean, I would say we're mostly not putting people in asylums anymore, but unfortunately, they're still being marginalized. We have a great treatment, but there's all this scare stuff out there that are keeping women from getting the treatment they need to feel better.